Hi there, students. Slaughter, slaughter. To slaughter, a verb. A slaughter. I think more normally slaughter is uncountable. It could be countable. So slaughter rhymes with daughter. To slaughter means to kill large numbers of people or large numbers of animals in a cruel and violent way, and usually unnecessarily. To massacre, to murder, to butcher, to exterminate. So hundreds of thousands of civilians were slaughtered during the Civil War. Or many people consider the slaughter of whales to be a horrific thing. Okay, to slaughter. We can also use this verb to slaughter to talk about the killing of animals for food. So we have a slaughterhouse. A slaughterhouse is the place where animals are taken to be killed, so that it goes to your supermarket in nice little plastic packets. Okay, so a slaughterhouse. This is the place, or an abattoir. Or a slaughterhouse is where animals are slaughtered for food. You could have the ritual slaughter of animals. So halal meat has been slaughtered in the correct way, or kosher meat has been slaughtered according to the rules as well. So to kill animals to be eaten, to kill animals for meat. So lambs typically are slaughtered in the spring. Now we also use this word slaughter, meaning to defeat somebody in a match or in some sort of game really, really easily. So my team was slaughtered on Saturday. They lost 6-0. Yeah, we're going to slaughter your team when we play them. To defeat somebody very, very easily. Notice this is quite informal, whereas the other two uses are quite formal. Okay, so we were slaughtered by the opposition. It's like they killed us very easily. They polished us off. Okay, so for example, animals are fattened for slaughter. Like a lamb to the slaughter. It's a good story by Roald Dahl. And then to slaughter people, or to slaughter animals, the killing of many people cruelly, unfairly, very often in war, in large numbers. Okay, so slaughter, a massacre. This war has become a slaughter on both sides. Well, I actually think war is slaughter. To kill people in large numbers, to kill brutally, to kill violently. Yeah, a violent killing, a killing spree, a slaughter. Okay, the terrorists slaughtered all of the people, all of their hostages. So, another meaning of a slaughter. You know these words with nouns for a group of animals, like a murder of crows, etc. Well, it's a slaughter of iguanas. I don't know why, a slaughter of iguanas. Just a side thing. Okay, so slaughter, the killing of animals for food, the killing of large numbers of people or animals. We have manslaughter, is less than murder, but with a lot of responsibility. Okay, so to slaughter, to kill. Um, so formality, the killing of animals, to slaughter animals. 6, informality. This war, in this war, both sides are slaughtering each other. 6, informality. We were slaughtered by the opposition in the match. 3.5, informality. Okay, so slaughter. And then as to origin, it comes from Old Norse, slatted. Yeah, Proto-Germanic slahana, which is coming from the idea of slay. To slay is to kill. Slay, slew, slain. To slay. So, slaughter, killing. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Slaughter.